Thank you for checking out my video. This is on the Lenovo Tab 4, which I happen to pick up used at a Best Buy. This is a pretty nice tablet. It's not quite as sharp as a Samsung Tab S4, but you're not paying Samsung Tab S4 prices for it. So you have a power button here. Now it's textured. It looks like it should have a fingerprint reader. Have the volume rocker, and on the other side you have a micro USB, so it's not a USB-C. You got the headphone jack, and then you also have a little compartment to put your micro SD card. And Kitty wants to get involved with the... We'll see if he stays out. This is a pretty neat tablet. You can open additional items. It has a productivity pack in it. Okay, so let's go into that first. The software it came with was 7.1 Android, and Samsung is running 9.1. It immediately had updates to 8. I believe it's 8. Oh, let's look at it. 8.1. So it's got the pretty decent version. As everything, I allow the developer options and speed up every device I get by going in here and changing the Windows animation, the transition animation, and the animator duration scale, all these to 0.5 because they're normally set on 1, and I don't want that lag. Now this is a pretty cool thing because it has a productivity pack. Where is it? Alright, I'm tired of looking for it. But the productivity pack gives you the smaller navigation buttons for Android on the side, and it also allows you to switch apps, so it holds them like Windows, like a system app drawer. So I could just keep on opening things, and I'm gonna hit home, and I'm gonna just keep opening, and you see they fill up here at the bottom. Now let's see how quickly it moves back and forth. Now here's the reason why this isn't as powerful as a Samsung is because this has 2 gigs of RAM. But if you notice, it's moving pretty quickly back and forth. That's because there's not a lot of bloatware with this. This is running pretty much a stock Android. This also has Alexa built into it, which honestly, I'm a Google Home user. I don't understand the purpose of Alexa. I asked it to connect to smart things or turn a light on or something, and I guess you have to be an original Alexa to really care about that. So okay, so you see all the items here in the tray. To get rid of one, I just touch and throw it up there, and it's gone. Okay, touch and throw it up there, it's gone. So it switches back and forth between everything pretty quickly. I think this is a nice quality tablet. It also has the ability to have kids mode. You see it's rather quick. Now if I turn off this productivity pack, I wonder if it's up here. Oh, that screenshot right there. Oh, there we go. Productivity interface. Okay, so you can switch between apps. Oh, this was also pretty cool. So, you know how Samsung has where you can run multiple apps at the same time. Well, that's stock Android since this version. So there you see two apps running side by side. You can make one bigger, move it back and forth. Okay, you can switch. Oh, that's something neat. See, Samsung only allows you to switch on the one side. Oh, it looks like this is only allowing you to switch on the left side, where Samsung only allows you to switch on the right side. It's interesting. That is pretty interesting. So swiped. So overall, I think this is a great tablet. If you want to look at things that are bigger than your phone, if you want to use it, I'm going to use this with my drone for a better image. It's a snappy tablet, and it's like $159 brand new. Okay, so let's go into why I bought this one and not the other ones. So Lenovo also has some newer tablets that have come out, and when I looked at the specs, they have the same amount of RAM. Processor is similar. Display is similar. But when it comes to battery, this has a 7,000 milliamp battery, where the others have a 4,800. So that includes the one at Walmart that's on sale for $114. I got this one as an open box for $124. Retails brand new for $159. This has all the cool features that all the other tablets have. Face unlock. You can unlock it with your phone. It has smart unlock features. Security. Let's see what else. I think that pretty much covers it. So overall, I'd say this is a great device. It works quickly. It has some nice, cool features. Oh, also, they make a keyboard dock for it that I can't seem to find available anywhere. So I thought that was interesting. But so it just snaps in and it makes it look like a laptop for you to use a keyboard. I don't really see the need, because I didn't really buy this for that. I bought this mainly as a bigger display for my drone, but it's shown to be a pretty useful device. Thanks for checking out my video. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them.